Hello friends, welcome to Amit Automation Lab. This is the series of software development lifecycle. In this tutorial, I will explain about waterfall model. After completing the tutorial, you will have the knowledge of waterfall model, different phases of waterfall model, and advantages and disadvantages of waterfall model. So, let's start with the introduction. The waterfall model is sequential model or non-iterative design process used for software development. Means there will not be any iteration possible during execution of waterfall model, and this approach is largely one directional downwards like a waterfall. The main idea behind the waterfall model is proceed to the next phase only when the preceding phase is completed. Waterfall model is very old and it was actually originated in manufacturing and construction industry, where small changes also become very expensive as the development process starts. So in those days there was no software development like life cycle model, hence the hardware oriented model was simply adopted for software development. Now let's try to look into different phases of waterfall model. So the first phase is requirement analysis. In this traditional model, software is developed in a sequential manner. We starts with a requirement analysis where we capture all the requirements from client. Once the requirements are captured, we move on to the design phase, where the complete set of requirements are completely designed. After the design is over, we move on to the coding or implementation phase, where the design is converted into different codes using different programming languages. After the coding is completed, we go to the testing phase, where the entire programs are tested to check whether the program are in line with the requirements. When the entire system is tested, the product tested and the product meets the customer expectations, we handed it over to the clients. If there are any issue, it moves on to the maintenance phase. Now let's talk about advantages of waterfall model. It is logical and easy to understand. Every step is well defined, and next phase starts after understanding the previous phase. Now let's look into the disadvantage. There are unclear requirements. Requirements changes are not allowed in waterfall model. Lack of involvement of the customer, accuracy of estimation, lot of document preparation. In each phases we have to complete documentation, not much time for testing, and at the end of the uh, development process, customer is not happy. Thanks for watching the video.